What's up, good people? How you doing? If you're new to the page, do yourself a favor and do me a favor. Go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. I'm not in my normal studio. I will be back in my normal studio Tuesday. I'll be back Monday evening. So Tuesday, you'll see me in my normal digs. Okay? Listen, do not fall for any scam or any spam, should I say. I will never talk about a WhatsApp, my broker, or any of that. It's spam. Never send your personal information or money to anyone on any platform. Okay, let's keep it moving. So I had to come in, stop in. I'm in my friend's car to let you know some of the really, I think, big news on SHIBA INU, but also on the infrastructure bill on this one, okay? We're not just going to make money with one coin or one sector, or just have FOMO with just one stock or crypto, right? It's a lot of money to be made, good people, all right? So let's keep it moving. So I'm reading here. So if you see me squinting, I'm reading. My wife gonna get mad at me because I don't have my glasses on. All right, so CHIPS, online crypto casino, is now supporting and accepting SHIB, okay? It's an online crypto casino. It's now accepting SHIB. I wish I had my computer and charts. I want you guys to go ahead and Google that. And that is a positive thing for SHIB. And it should be a positive catalyst, all right, to help support it, right? Here's another thing. There's a company called Wealth Simple, okay? Wealth Simple, all right, crypto in Canada, is now offering SHIB. So some people think it's Canada's version of Robinhood, okay? So they're now offering SHIB. So you have all of these new retail investors that are able to buy SHIBA INU in Canada through Wealth Simple, all right? That's another big catalyst for the SHIB, okay? As a matter of fact, the volume was so great till they had it actually shut the site down because of the trading volume, okay? So too many people was buying at the same time, all right? Because they just offered it. So they weren't selling it. They were buying it. So that's another positive catalyst. Remember, when these whales are though they are buying more, but when the retail investor owns the majority of the share, it actually makes it better, right? So that's two. Here's the third thing. Coinbase now allows New York residents to buy SHIB through Coinbase, of course. And so New Yorkers, at first you couldn't buy it. Now you can through your Coinbase app. Now, if you don't have Coinbase, then you need to go to my link below. I'm going to put these glasses on because this sun is shining right in my eye, good people. All right. So if you don't have Coinbase, then I have a link below. Deposit $100 and get going on some other cryptos, but you can also, of course, buy and sell SHIBA INU. All right. And so those are three main catalysts I wanted to hit you right at the top of this video that lets you know that there's a lot of still upward catalysts for SHIBA INU. So just those are three major things, all right? And so is it moving right now? No, it really isn't. It's just a fight against the bears and the bulls. Here's what we do know and we have found out. The big wallet that had the 4 or the 5 billion SHIB in SHIB, they have not sold. They just moved, all right? So what they did was they did like any billionaire would do and not keep all of your money in the same wallet. You wouldn't keep all your money in the same bank if you had that much money. You just don't do it. So what we do know now is that they've moved them to another wallet. Now, many of us think it may be one of the creators of SHIB or somebody that worked with the team. And signs show that they're trying not to tank the market, which I appreciate. Those of us that have SHIB, they're trying not to tank the SHIB market, because they could have just start selling big chunks from the same wallet, and they didn't want to. So they just moved it to 4 different wallets. And we now know that they are not selling. It's another whale that's been selling, but not that one individual, which I believe has the biggest share right now of SHIB. Okay. Those are all positive things. Now, they may be trying to just let it get to an all-time high. They may see that it's going higher, so they're trying to just protect it until it gets there, or they really do want SHIB INU to be a successful crypto, a successful coin. And it's showing that it's going to have a lot of utility. As you can see, people are starting to accept it now for payment. All right. And so there's going to be bigger adoption. So I don't want to over pump it. When do we buy? We only buy when it dips. Okay. If you've been buying the dips properly, and if you've listened to me and you didn't panic sell and you bought the dips and now you're better for buying the dips, please leave me a comment. Believe it or not, late at night, sometimes I read all of these comments. Let's keep it going. The infrastructure bill, it passed, right? The Democrats passed it. And I will tell you, like I stated in my earlier video, that the EV market should be hot on Monday. If you bought Volta and you listen to me on Volta, please leave me a comment. Remember, I was suggesting that you buy it under $7.90. Some of you guys bought it a little higher, but if you ever listen to any of my videos and I give you a price point, that doesn't mean buy it at the high. So I was just saying $7.90 is where I started to buy. And when it went down to $6.88, I actually quadrupled down on the lower. So I brought my cost down. I DCA, dollar cost average. Okay. So you're going to look at companies like ChargePoint, ticker symbol CHPT. Look at what it's going to do Monday. Look at Volta, ticker symbol VLTA. Look at what it's going to do Monday. Plug, PLUG. Look at what it's going to do Monday. All right. The EVgo. Look at every electric vehicle charging station, because it's supposed to be 500,000 new charging stations over years now. That is part of this infrastructure bill that the Democrats just passed. Okay. And so it's a smaller bill than it was before. So it got brought down twice, which it probably should have been. A lot of pork and all of this stuff. You know, I don't get into the Democrats or the Republicans. I don't get into all of that. We just look at politics as it pertains to our money, good people. Okay. And so I want you guys to look at all of those. Let's see what SHIBA INU does this week. But let's also look at these Voltas, and let's look at ChargePoint. And I'm telling you guys, and I've said it a million times, there's a reason why I use Webull as my trading platform for stocks and crypto. So they do have SHIBA INU, and I do my swing trading there for SHIBA INU. All of my SHIBA INU that I'm buying with my Coinbase, I'm not touching. I'm leaving that. Okay. But all of these, EVgo, Volta, Plug, ChargePoint, and any other charging station, those you can buy with Webull. But here's the cool thing. You can buy them 4 hours before the market even opens and 3.5 hours after it closes. So if you already have the app, you can actually start buying some stock 4 hours before the market open. You got to get up really early. Okay. And so that's why I like Webull. Okay. So if you don't have it, download the link below and deposit whatever you have. Actually, right now you could, but deposit at least $100, good people. And I'm going to leave by saying this. Don't wait to fund your brokerage accounts. You got Webull. You got Coinbase, both of the links below. Download it, Put the money in there because you don't want to be caught in a situation where, remember, when I brought manna, when I first brought manna, it was 94 cents, and then it ran up. You could have called it at $1.30. I got a ton of people saying, I just moved my money over and I got to wait 5 business days for it to clear. And that is true with most brokerages. So just download it and be ready now and keep some money in your trading platforms. Okay, so we can continue to make this generational wealth. I'm going to leave by saying this, and I'm going to make a more in-depth video on Tuesday and probably Monday. I'll be traveling back home. But today was Sunday. I'm actually here at the home of the lead player of Switchfoot, which is a popular group. And he's having he was so generous to have us here as his guests. And he was just in terms saying that we need to invest in our relationships, good people. And yeah, we want to make good money, but invest in your relationships also. Invest in your relationship with your loved ones and your friends, because that is priceless. So let's invest in money, but also let's invest in people. And hey, I'm going to ask you guys to continue praying for me as I pray for you. I pray over you and your families for health and wealth, and I pray over your finances. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. Please continue to like this video, and more importantly, share everything. Okay, share my videos, because we are an army of people that are creating generational wealth. Okay. And so that's what my mission is. That's what my call is. And I'm going to keep serving you guys to the best of my ability. I love each and every one of you. Live, love, laugh, and learn.